All right, sports fans, guess what? Midjourney just released a new tool, and as you can tell, it's right here. It's in beta, and it's called Style Creator. And I'm going to walk you through what this means and how to use it, because I think you need to be playing with this. It's really easy. So type in some sort of prompt that you want to see, and we're going to just say fashion model. So I use a couple different prompts to test things out. Bicycle, Viking, fashion model, sunset, and cheeseburger. I'm always rotating those because I like to see the consistency of a bunch of different ideas. And so for this, we're just going to use fashion model, and we're going to type it in. Right now, here's what happens. Midjourney gives you a bunch of different ideas, and then what it wants you to do is to select some ideas that you want to try to come up with your own style. Once it's done, you can use that forever. I think this is pretty cool. It really wants you to kind of be broad at the beginning and then narrowly focus as you go in. Let's choose this guy and maybe this one, and I like that. And we'll do one more, maybe this. Now we hit refine style, and it gives you another set. Every time you do this, you're teaching Midjourney, do it a little bit like this, do a little bit like this. And then it's going to keep refining that, and it's going to give you the look. Let's just do these bright colors and hit refine. And it's going to give us more and more kind of these bright, saturated color kind of looks. I don't want that poly one. Maybe that. I like the dark. And let's do a couple more. And every time you do it, it generates new ideas. And we're getting closer to kind of what we want. I kind of like that. Now, when we're done, we just hit end session. And if we go over here to create, here's where we start. And we kept picking brighter colors, and it keeps refining our prompt. And here's where we ended up with this highly saturated pop art look, which is exactly what I was kind of going for. Now, here's the cool thing, is it gave us an SREF code. We can rerun this and make new images. But another cool thing that we could do is let's just try it with something else. Let's try it with Viking, and we'll use the same SREF code. And of course, it's going to use the SREF code with the bright colors. And look, we got a little Lego guy. Look at the pop art kind of style it's creating, and it's giving us some really cool looks. Now, like anything, if you've got something like this and you really like it, like I kind of like that, a cool way to modify this, of course, this is style 0, is we can play around with this a little bit, and let's delete raw, and let's go back to standard, and let's give it 100, and then we can also do a style weight, and let's give it a style weight of 80, and let's just see how our subtle changes work with the SREF code that we just created. So this is a pretty handy dandy way of kind of finding a place to start and then zooming in on something that might work for you. Like I really kind of like this one. As you know, you've probably seen my work. I'm a big fan of big negative space. I'm very attracted to that green. And I like this kind of pop art style with the bold colors, but maybe the desaturated facial. And then if we wanted to play with this more, we would hit very subtle, very strong, kind of do some things. We might rerun it a couple times just to see where this goes. I'm always wanting to know what's around the corner. And of course, here's our variations. Look at that with the two-tone. That's kind of cool. And very interesting here that we got a checkerboard on the sweater and then we checkerboard on the dress. But here we got checkerboards in the background and the dress. That's kind of interesting look. So anyway, I wanted to do this video real quick. I highly encourage you to play around with this and, you know, just to have some fun. And if you like something, you can share it to your spotlight. And remember, I did a video about this the other day to create your profile. Here's mine, Marshall Atkinson. And then you can see that the new one that I just made right there. And then here's some other ones I did with playing around with Style Creator tool. These are all those new ones right here. And then if you want to share your profile, you can share your profile with this little button right here. And then that just takes your profile and saves it to your clipboard so you can send it to friends or whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys. And make sure that you sign up for the Midjourney Experience Academy, which is where professional creators go to learn more about Midjourney. We'd love to see you there. Check it out. The link is right there in the description. Talk to you guys later. See ya.